everybody. How are you? So the fire department likes to come out and talk to you guys about being safe with fire. Do you all know what a smoke detector is?
And this is what comes when you have a fire, and it helps put the fire out, right?
Yeah.
When the firemen show up, look at Firefighter Branch here. Yeah, everybody, he's a nice guy, isn't he? Yeah. He's gonna look a little different when he's in his fire gear, and I want you guys to know that it's still Firefighter Branch. Firefighter Branch's gear protects him in a fire and allows him to help you get out of the house.
What is the number you guys call when you have an emergency? 911. Girl down.
I'm the same person.
What comes out of the water hose?